Welcome to Keto Casseroles. This series is all about easy, hearty, and delicious low carb meals, baked to perfection. Starting with a classic Keto Zucchini Lasagna, a comforting, cheesy dish without the carbs. Let's make it. First, let's prepare the zucchini. Using a slicer, cut thin zucchini slices. If they release too much water, dab them with a paper towel. I didn't need to, mine were perfect. Next, let's make the red sauce. Heat olive oil in a pan. Add chopped garlic and onion. Add salt, pepper, turmeric powder, and chili powder. I use turmeric every time. It's a great anti-inflammatory. Sauté for a few minutes. Then add our minced chicken. Stir fry for a minute. Once the chicken color change, add our vegetables. I have added capsicums. You can add your favorite vegetables. Mix well. Then goes our tomato paste. You can add pasta sauce. Mix well and let it cook until the chicken is done. Now it's time for the creamy keto white sauce. In a saucepan, heat olive oil and butter. Add chopped garlic, salt, pepper, and mixed herbs. Now instead of regular flour, I used almond flour for a perfect keto swap. We use almond flour here to get the right consistency for our keto white sauce. Now add a cup of milk. Mix well and add Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese will give a nice texture to our sauce. Mix well. Cook until the sauce is thick and creamy. Next, let's layer and bake. Take a deep oven-safe dish and start layering. First layer red sauce with chicken. Then arrange our zucchini slices. Then goes our keto white sauce. Add some Parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese. Repeat the layers and finish with extra mozzarella cheese on top. There is no particular order in layering. You can layer however you want. You can add or skip the layers too. But the last layer should be mozzarella cheese to get a cheesy golden crust on top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese gets golden and crispy on top. According to your oven, you can add or reduce the timings. And there you have it, Keto Zucchini Lasagna. Keto casseroles are perfect for meal prep. You can store each portion in an airtight container and freeze it for later. You can store in the fridge for 4 days. Just reheat and enjoy. Want more delicious keto casseroles? Let me know what to make next in the comments. So good, so perfect. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button. Subscribe for more keto meal ideas and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a video. See you in the next one. Bye.